Hello everyone, I am Carrie, introduced to you today, a complete set of intelligent home energy systems. This time we used GoodWe 5 kW smart inverter, with Motoma 10 kW lithium battery. Equipped with dual EMPT inputs, enabling efficient power tracking for solar panels installed in different orientations. Integrated DC isolator switch ensures safe PV disconnection for maintenance and protection. Built-in 4 grams module supports data visualization, remote monitoring, and system management for easier maintenance. Supports external metering connection, enabling anti-backflow control and accurate energy import or export measurement. The BMS communication port allows seamless integration with Motoma batteries, optimizing charging strategies and improving overall system reliability. Features both grid and load interfaces, supporting off-grid operation as well as hybrid grid-tied plus off-grid modes. The RS485B port is used for parallel connection between batteries, enabling master-slave management. The master unit collects data from all slave units and transmits it to the inverter. RS485A CAN communication is used as the main interface to upload aggregated battery data to the inverter, ensuring stable and simple communication. The RS232 port connects to Motoma's battery monitoring software, providing full access to battery data for diagnostics and maintenance. Equipped with dry contact interfaces, allowing connection to diesel generators or external relays for automatic start or stop control. ADS dip switch is used to assign battery addresses, distinguishing master and slave units for organized data management. The OST reset switch allows battery recovery from protection or fault conditions. Okay, first of all, the battery is red. Positive electrode connects this. Negative electrode connects this one. Red on this end is the positive pole. The black end is the negative pole. BMS line. Connect the battery. Motoma batteries feature a 7-inch capacitive touchscreen, offering a user-friendly interface for operation and monitoring.
Motoma. Power into the future.